If we are to pay our way, we shall have to get new revenue. I should like to do what you ask, but I have no power to do so. It will be your duty to check each item we charge. I shall go to the automobile show and I may buy a new car. Do you wish to renew your fire policy? It will be due tomorrow. I am aware of the value of a shop window on the avenue. I will give you a cheap rate to Niagara via the lake route. What would be your rate for a large room with bath or shower? We had a fire and our factory was idle for a month, so we had a poor year. I have no wish to argue with you, for you may be right in what you say. You will rub your eyes when you see our new era car. Why are you buying a poor type of oil when you can get a pure oil for your money? Poor oil may damage your car. It will pay you to buy a poorer variety.